Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Hope you are doing good. You are doing fine. Glory be to God. So, my chorealistic people, there is an adage that said, when there is life, there is hope. At times, so I always say that don't jealous people. Don't say, oh, I wish I am that person, or I wish I am this person. You don't know what that person is passing through. You don't know that the life you are living today is the purpose and plan of God concerning you. It's just for you to live all right. Just place all your cares upon the Lord. He will definitely answer you. It's just a matter of time. I have a wonderful one to tell us today. Do you know that they said there is nothing that you can hide though as far as God exists? Now, the breaking news today is that Senator Ekweremadu and wife Beatrice arrested today in the United States of America for alleged organ harvesting. So now we are going to dissect this world or this issue in our own way. You know that a lot of things has been going on in the country called Nigeria, and when you look, if anything happens, either kidnapping, Fulani herdsmen, you will see them shouting and saying, oh, Fulani herdsmen do this. So do you know that you will not hear it from politicians only if it's during election? Then they will come out and say, oh, we condemn this act, we condemn bra, we condemn this, we condemn that. That is only when you see them raising up their voice because they want to gain the people's mandates. Now, Senator Ekweremadu, you know, the other day he was beaten here in Germany, and the thing is all over, it's everywhere. He was talking, say, those people that tried that, they were deported, they were this, they were that, Opioko. Nothing of such. Now, Ekweremadu and the wife, you don't know what they are suffering for. They want to use money to buy long life. They want to use money to oppress the poor. Can you imagine that this 15-year-old boy, this young boy, was living inside the streets of Lagos, and Ekweremadu and the wife called him in, like they were taking care of him. According to the report, he has been living with them. According to the report, they saved him from the streets. Just imagine, they said, oh, we are going to render help to you. They took the boy from the streets, and now they are also the same people trying to use the boy. Do you know how many people this type of thing has happened to? At times, someone with the child will go to church. He will not see the child. Where did the child go to? Somebody have already basket the guy. Is with all these things. You go to a child with hospitals. You see the mother crying. I've been sitting here with my child. Where is my child? Everybody will be like, I don't know. We don't know what she's talking about. What are you talking about? A child that you brought. You don't know where the child is. Somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody have sold the child immediately. This is the same thing right now that Ekweremadu did. He's not the only one. All these kidnappers, when they collect these different parts, who are they selling it for? Or tomorrow you say that they kidnap somebody. You know that these people also, they work with medical doctor. He thought Nigeria is, UK is Nigeria, that they do everything and they go away with it. Come on, it's not in the Western world. You see what happened. If it's in Nigeria, they will use money to buy longevity. They will use money to buy long life. But when they said, no, we are tired of using the Nigeria system, well, let's take it advanced so that at least the thing will work perfectly well. Some of them, they will just give the parents of the poor boy or poor girl, they will just give the parents money, a lot of money, like they will give them money. Then they carry the baby, say, we are living with the baby. After some time, they will tell you and say, oh, baby you give to us, the baby passed out, the baby was sick, the baby was that. You cannot hear the details. Everything is off. Now, the same plan these politicians, they are planning for people. That is what reverse. You know that Abakare escaped the one that he did in America. Why? Nigerian government refused to release him. But the case of Ekweremadu, they waited for him to come down to UK. Like they've already gotten the information, his signature, everything. And when he arrived with the baby and the document, what happened? They seized him and the wife. He and the wife might be going through medical problem or the other. But why don't you go to hospitals and use money to buy the one they have there? That you want to do it with a living baby that is not even ready to go yet. You just want to do it with a healthy baby. So you think that money can give long life? Sorry, it's not only Ekweremadu, as many of them that are involved, cutting people's life short in one way or the other. They will pay for it. This is just the beginning. This is a beginning to tell them that what they are doing in Nigeria will end in Nigeria. I am telling you, it will come to a time that the gates of every country will be closed, and they will say where they will be fluing themselves to for medical checkup, operation, and all that. Just like the door was shut against Ekweremadu and the wife, they never saw it coming. The same God that caught them, that is how one day you will hear another news that is even more than Ekweremadu. Someone that is more than Ekweremadu as well will also fall the victim. Imagine, you see that there are things that money cannot buy. Money will only give you that fame that you want, but money cannot give you long life. Money, when even them traveling from Nigeria going to the Western world for medical checkup, medical this operation and all that, if God said this is your last moment, that is your last moment. So they want to enjoy life. They want all the beauty of life. They want to use money to buy everything that is beautiful, but they don't want the people to live a beautiful life. So tell me, when you don't want your neighbor to be happy, how will you be happy as well? Ekweremadu case is just the beginning. You can see it. It is everywhere. I know that a lot of people will tell me that it's fake news. My brother, it is not fake. Oh, my sister, it is not fake. Ekweremadu is under arrest in the UK for allegedly organ investing of a 15-year-old teenager. So that is the breaking news today. God is going to fight all our unseen battle. As many children that as in one way or the other disappeared overnight, morning, afternoon, and evening, they are going to confess what happened to those children, because it is too much. Now you can see the deleting all over. They delete people morning, afternoon, evening, especially in the southeastern part of Nigeria. And nobody is saying anything about it. They are living life like it's the normal life because they know what they are doing. When they tell you tomorrow and say that, oh, I can do it, they will not be kidnapping again, I can do it, people will be living life okay, because they know what they are doing on the ground that make all these sins, all this unlawful death to arise. They know everything, and God will keep exposing them. Now Ekweremadu is in big mess. That is how every one of them is going to follow suit, and it will not be in Nigeria. They will catch them where they are going to, because if they are in Nigeria, they go away with it. They will catch them anywhere, any country they are going to commit that atrocity, they will be caught. This is an example, and it's eye opener to everyone that dip his or her hands into blood to delete people. This is just the beginning for all of them. The earlier they understand that people are now wise, the better for them. The hour they understand that the money they have is not genuine. You can imagine it. Their source of income, their money is questionable. We are asking questions about their wealth, how they made their money. Yes, we are asking them questions, because if you can see, you would know that their wealth is not genuine. And again, tell me, what did they want to use it for? Is it for himself? Is it for the wife? Or they want to sell it as usual? This has been their problem for years. God just said today, your cup will run over. That is what happened to Ekweremadu. That today you are going to be disgrace that today your cup is already filled up, so no need for them to give you extra time. You have to go in for it. So my realistic people, this is what is going on right now in the UK. Ekweremadu and wife are under serious mess right now, so please share this video, let it go viral. Thank you once again, I really appreciate. From me to you, from here, remain blessed.